IYZ family and Durango family. I know y'all bike life content folks. Hang on 1 minute, man. So I got the Durango back, and what I'm doing is I'm dropping a cross video. This going on the bike page, and it's gonna be the rebirth video to my Durango show page. So y'all tap in. Y'all see that thing out of there? Shit. Where they empty, mom? Both of them, side by side. See, do what you do when you get this goddamn this V6, mom. But we ain't gonna knock it. Well, that was the original one right there, y'all. I ain't get on camera when it blew up, but y'all seen the aftermath. Shit, part 2. Coming back, my boy ain't playing. My boy getting that thing pulled, dropped. Stop playing.
You see the one that I took off the other hose?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was a different kind. See, we getting motion, getting the momentum going. You're alive.
I'm tired of waiting.
My boy said we tired of waiting. So we got the engine in there, right? See, I done cleaned it off. You're looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna give that our first startup. Well, I really already started it up, you know that, because you see it move, but we're gonna give y'all that first startup, let y'all hear it real quick, and just let you see we back in motion. Feel good. I need to get some gas, but besides that, yeah, I like it. What y'all think, man? What y'all think, man? Ain't nothing too much, just a little something sexy, you know. Ain't like these GT said, man, it's paid for. Yeah, feel good, man. Feels good, man. Just need to gas it up, a little power steering fluid. You know what I'm saying? A little more clean up. Okay. VA nothing, but I mean, I'm just saying, I gotta sound good, you know, man, you know, saying, you know, ain't no scat, but it's not playing. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, the Durango show, Slick YZ, baby, it's back, man, you know, so truck up, y'all seen, swing that camera around to what they seeing right there behind them. If y'all know, I put that dirt bike rack on the back of that goddamn Ultima. It went crazy. Now that I got that truck back, man, I'm at every link, every lot, every spot, man. Tap in, YZ, baby.